Hey bro, listen up. This one's for the guys who've been told that distance makes her lose interest. Nah, that's only true if you don't know how to use distance right. Let me tell you how distance didn't push her away. It made her obsessed. And no, I didn't ghost her or play childish mind games. I just understood how attraction actually works. We were talking daily. And then I stopped. At first, we were texting constantly morning check ins, random memes, late night convos. It felt electric. But slowly, I started to notice something. She was getting too comfortable. She stopped asking questions, took longer to reply. The spark? Flickering. So I pulled back, intentionally. I didn't disappear. I didn't send a "we need space" text. I just stopped flooding her with attention. I let the silence breathe. And here's what happened. She reached out more, but differently. At first, crickets. Then came the classic, "Hey, just checking in." Then a few, "Remember when we talked about..." And then voice notes, selfies, late night rants. She missed the energy I used to give her because I created a void. And where there's a void, attraction grows. If you were valuable in the first place. Here's what I actually did and why it worked. 1. I stopped being too available. Scarcity increases value. If she knows she can have your energy 24/7, she starts taking it for granted. 2. I focused on my own life. I hit the gym harder, worked on my projects, met friends, posted just enough to remind her I'm alive and thriving. 3. I never explained myself. No guilt tripping. No, "sorry I've been distant." I let my absence raise curiosity, not resentment. 4. I made our next interaction intentional. When we reconnected, I didn't fall back into old habits. I set the tone. Flirty, playful, masculine. I made her feel something. Why distance works, if you're that guy. Look, distance doesn't create attraction. It reveals it. If there's no baseline interest, distance is just silence. But if she already saw you as high value, distance creates mystery. Mystery creates obsession. Most guys are so scared of losing her, they suffocate the vibe. But real confidence says, I don't need to force anything. I'll let her feel the absence and choose to come closer. Final words, bro. Don't fear space. Use it. Don't over-communicate. Intrigue her. Don't chase. Lead. You don't need to manipulate her into liking you. Just stop giving away your presence like it costs nothing, and she'll start craving it like it's everything.